There isn't a significant backlog at this point in time because we did not receive many applications during the general strike. So we received only about 20% of the normal applications that we would receive. There are, of course, going to be some applications that are out of standard because of the strike. However, we do feel we have the resources to catch up with that relatively quickly. I do want to assure Canadians that if they do have urgent travel, that we'll apply the same strategies that we applied last summer to make sure that we're triaging people based on date of travel. And the other thing that I would say is Canadians do not need to go, early in the morning to get to a passport office because they will be triaged based on date of travel and making sure that we get people their passports on time. We are expecting a number of applications to come in over the next couple of days, people who didn't drop their passport applications off because of the general strike, and so we are prepared for that.
We expect, we can follow up with the exact number after, but it's about 100,000 cases that were not processed during the work stoppage that we otherwise expected would have been. We've got, thankfully, measures that we put in place initially to address the backlogs as the COVID-19 pandemic came to an end in terms of the impact on border closures and movement of people, at least, not necessarily the public health impact. And we're going to continue to benefit from the higher productivity that we've achieved as a result of the resources we've added to the system, some policies that we've relaxed in order to have our officers be able to do more with the time that they have, and the digital solutions that we've implemented. Last year, we had about twice as many final decisions as the year prior. And with that enhanced productivity, I expect we're going to be able to get through these latest challenges as a result of the work stoppage. But my expectation is that we're going to be, over the course of the next few months, in a very good position. Before the latest work stoppage, we'd actually gotten back to the pre-pandemic level of service standard for permanent residency for family reunification, for federal economic streams through the express entry system. Work permits and study permits were virtually back to within 1 or 2 days of the pre-pandemic service level. The one mainstream where we still had some work left to do was on temporary residency visas, trying to get people here for the tourism season, for weddings this summer, for family occasions, big events. We were on track some point in the summer to get back to a 30-day standard. I expect we'll be delayed somewhat, but over the next number of months, I expect we're going to be back to the pre-pandemic service levels if all goes well.